Break production.
Been a dynamic duo, the gun committee, the lyrical mechanic hero. And you know that we serve the people nice and we're good live like reversing it twice. In world where your cash couldn't buy an idea, so fuck the word, bro, we're getting high up in here. See my rhyme is official, time's no initial. Sit back, click, clack, yo, my mind is a missile. Yeah, we're good with the manners, but we're cool with the grammar. So we got mothers feeling this, the fucking dudes in the slammer. We're with the bangers and the show was a spectacle. My dance, it was bananas, the flow was impeccable. We just cash under neon lights. My name is Mad Max, teaching we want rights. I got the bull by its horns, the beast by its tail, a brain off its leash that's deeper than Yale. Shockwaves to your hood when I properly drop this. Double barrel brainstorm to bang in your cockpit. So how you feeling, Bliss? Man, I never been better. This veteran's clever at stringing every letter together, banging like a set of vendors, not a getter of cheddar. Instead I roll up to the passion of fucking Nebuchadnezzar. Oh my God, fuck 'em up like cry laws, and we gon' get it cracking like a party of Zion. We just that's what happens when I talk smoked out, no doubt. Ace Staffies on a porch and I'm not a joke. I blaze up the broccoli, I rock the post, I break them and I need a pickup. Listen, make it switch lanes quick, like hitting Charlie when you're drunk, just like Rick James, bitch. My nickname's Bliss. Wait a second, you busted. You don't know me, my brother, you may address me as good. Well, if you got a motherfucker, then you know